hope you can see me clearly. It's a bit too hard to hold the phone like this, Mara. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another day, another dollar. So I came back from work yesterday and there was no water. Okay, so we have no water. I'm hungry. It's 8 o'clock. I need to go and get fat cooks and then come back, make breakfast and eat. I have dirty pots. I don't know how I'm gonna wash that when I don't have water. I have to bath, I have to cook, I have to make tea, I have to... Oh my God. Tell me, how are we supposed to live without water? But yeah, so today I'll just be working from home. I have a lot of work to do and a lot of chores also. But yeah, let's just see how we manage that and join me. So okay, so I'm not gonna wash my face and I'm probably not gonna make my bed or make it when I come back. Now I just need to go and get those fat cooks, come back, make tea, and then drink my tea. Drink my freaking tea. That's all I gotta do. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. So there's still no water. Still no water. Hey, let's go, guys. What I'm trying to say is the struggle is real. People are carrying buckets. They're carrying buckets. See that guy? He's trying to go and get water. 1, 2. Mabupa. Ay namutlha. Ani ra kuna mati so ni veni va byela na vona ku ani ti namuntlha kuna mati. Water issues. I got my fat cooks. Here are my fat cooks. Okay. I am so tired. I've been waking since like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12 now. I'm tired. I'm tired. I just want to nap and I can't because I have a lot of work. So just checking in. I know the quality might not be that well because my light is quite dark, but yeah. I am here for my nail appointment and I'm so flipping late. But I'm not that late, I'm like 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm almost like 10 minutes late now. But the money gets forfeited when I am 15 minutes late, so I guess I'm on time. This is how my nails are looking like and I wanna look at home.
Hi guys, I just came back from doing my nails. Yes, me get better lighting. So I just came back from doing my nails and they're so pretty, so pretty. And I'm about to go and get my hair done. I don't know if I want to relax it or I just want to wash. But if I relax, I don't have enough money. But yeah, let's go and get my hair done. Ciao. Just finished doing my hair and that's the length. No ends. I find it a bit annoying, but yeah, we're done and the hands are also fine. Now I'm just gonna cook and yeah. Hi guys, I just came back from getting my hair done. So I was getting a relaxer. I was getting it relaxed. And yeah, it's so cute and black. I hope you can see me. Let me try to put it here. So like it's so cute and black. It's beautiful. And I also have an undercut, as you all know. So my light in the room is not bright enough, ne? So I asked my landlord to give me a loop. So here it is. So I'm about to change that. Let's just see how this is gonna look like. I hope the light is bright enough. And just open it. That's what it looks like. So I know I need to insert and twist me. Let's see. Oh my god, let me put this down. Took one out and now I'm about to put the other one. Doesn't want to work. Okay. Hey, don't break right now. Don't you dare. Don't you fucking dare. Let's put this up here. Okay. I did it. I did it. I did it. Look at this. Shouldn't fall. Look at this. I just changed the loop. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. Let's turn it on. Let's see. This is bright enough, guys. This is brighter. Look at that. Let's close the windows and see. Hey. Hey. At least, like, this is bright enough. Hey. Yeah. So now I just want to cook and prepare clean my room and get my lashes. I want to do my lashes. I'm so excited. I can't wait for tomorrow's look. Even though I'm gonna get so cold in the morning because I have an undercut and I want to do a pony up here. So yeah, let's Hi guys, I just finished preparing my scarftin and yeah, I ate and my stomach is full. I want to sleep. I want to go to bed. So yeah, good night. See you tomorrow. So tomorrow is Monday. We're going to the office and yeah, see you then.